Hi there, my name is Bianca with ABI, and this quick tutorial is just going to show you how to take advantage of all of our resources that we are providing for National Bullying Prevention Month in October. So when you are on our website, you want to go ahead and click on our Bullying Prevention tab. It's the second tab on the top. That will then take you to the Anti-Bullying Institute's website. From there, you want to go ahead and click on Resources, and then you will click on the Print Materials tab. You will see that all of the resources and information that we're providing for National Bullying Prevention Month is on the top. So we are sharing sample social media posts. We have a couple listed on here, but you can download more through this link. And we're also providing images and posters that you can share on social media. If you want to print these out as well, that is definitely an option. And we also have a link to all of them here as well, or if you want to download them individually. As you can see, we do have them in English, and we are also providing them in Spanish. So they are available for our English-speaking families, our Spanish-speaking families as well. So please feel free to share these with whoever you feel might benefit from them as well to help promote awareness for this month. So I hope this quick video was helpful, and please feel free to reach out to the Anti-Bullying Institute for any further information regarding National Bullying Prevention Month or resources that you are seeking as well. Thank you.